Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. I'm going to open my Facebook app right here, and at the top right corner I will select the icon with the three lines and then scroll down, go to settings and privacy, then settings. So right here in this page, I'm going to scroll down until I should be able to find right here this option, which is called blocking, and I'm going to tap on that option right here. So this is a list of the persons that I have blocked on my account right here. So what I'm going to do in order to, if I want to unblock some one of them, I'm just going to select the person that I want to unblock, and let's say this one right here. And if you unblock this person, she may be able to see your timeline or contact you depending on your settings, and you have some information about unblocking this person. And in order to go forward to unblock that person, you just have to hit the unblock button right here. So this is all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.